One day, the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ decided to meditate, and he used to meditate often in the cave of Hira. He used to ponder how on earth can this be corrected, and he used to seclude himself in this cave, and Jibreel alayhi salam came to him one day with revelation. Iqra, read. Naturally, ma ana biqari. Iqra, read. Ma ana biqari. I'm not a reader. Read, ma ana biqari. Read in the name of Allah. In the name of Allah, you can do anything. I want to stop there again. Brothers and sisters, another lesson. Nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible in the name of Allah. If you were to start things in the name of Allah, nothing is impossible. If you are to actually seek the help of Allah, everything becomes possible. What you thought was impossible for Allah is very possible. He will do it for you. So, in other words, nothing is impossible for Allah. Imagine, Iqra bismi rabbik. Read in the name of Allah. Read in the name of your Lord who created you. Khalaq al-insan. He created mankind from a clot of blood. Subhanallah Rabbil Alameen. Amazing verses. These were the opening verses to do with read and to do with using the name of Allah when you think something is impossible, and Allah will make it possible, and Allah will grant you even more than you ever expected because you did it in His name with His help, and you continued seeking that help of His.